Last year, India celebrated 75 years of its independence. Every milestone is important, but this one was a special. We celebrated a remarkable journey of over 75 years of freedom after 1,000 years of foreign rule in one form or another. This was not just a celebration of democracy, but also of diversity. Not just of constitution, but also of its spirit of a social empowerment. Not just of our competitiveness and cooperative federalism, but also of our essential unity and integrity. We have over 2,500 political parties. Yes, you heard that right. 2,500. About 20 different parties govern various states of India. We have 22 official languages and thousands of dialects, and yet we speak in one voice. Every 100 miles, our cuisine changes. From dosa to aloo paratha, and from Srikhand to Sandesh. We enjoy all of this. We are home to all faiths in the world, and we celebrate all of them.
छत्तीसगढ़ और देश दुनिया की राजनीतिक, सामाजिक, खेल से जुड़ी खबरें, साथ ही बॉलीवुड और हॉलीवुड की लेटेस्ट जानकारी के आप हमारे चैनल टुडे न्यूज़ 9 छत्तीसगढ़ को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। साथ में आप बेल आइकन को जरूर क्लिक कीजिए।